The Thrive Venture and Innovation Platform is basically an ecosystem with 4 key pillars. One around investment, so we invest in young technology companies. We run an accelerator program called Thrive. We run that annually, helping young companies accelerate. We run a corporate innovation program working with major corporations who are looking for the next best thing or innovation for their businesses. And we also run the Thrive X, which is a university challenge that we launched earlier this year. What we started out to do was create that ecosystem to support the agriculture and food industry in dealing with some of the biggest challenges in the world around the growth in population, dealing with 70% more production, the challenges of shortage of water and labor, etc. So we normally select 10 companies each year. So we've about 40 companies that have been accelerated through the Thrive program over the last 4 years. Combined, those companies have basically created value or valuations of $500 million since we started. So really great success, and they've gone on to raise about $100 million in value.
Demo Day is really the culmination of the entire program. All the companies have worked really hard on both refining their pitch, their business model, their go-to-market strategy. Many of them have results to share from field trials that show that they have made progress.
We have grown a lot. We are now monitoring around 420,000 acres. We have a 50 people team and we are operating in more than 9 countries. In the last year Forbes AgTech Summit, where I had my demo day, I met the local team of DuPont Pioneer that now is Corteva, and we were able to pilot with them in the US, and I was even invited to help them launch the Innovation Center in the Bay Area here.
We like the idea of Thrive and its ability to really take an incubated idea and build it into a business, and then that's when Trimble's really interested to begin those discussions.
Major corporations are really looking outside through an open innovation program to find the top companies that might be out there that could make an impact to their business.
You go out across the globe to our network to find companies that are addressing issues that our corporate partners need addressed within their organizations.
There are no Brussels sprouts or spinach up in Silicon Valley, right? And so we call it ground truth. And so Thrive helps bridge that gap between the know-how in Silicon Valley and the application here with growers in the Salinas Valley and growers around the world.
To a large degree, they can have access to a lot more of the startups than we do, and we like how they're able to sift through and sort of find the best of the best. We already have partnerships with 1 or 2 of the companies to get them demoed in the field.
People have great ideas around the world, and what they've done a really nice job of is convince these folks, 1, to come and interact with us, 2, to listen to our problems so they can then adopt and adapt their technology or their solution to our problems. And it's going to make change and improvement and sustainability move ahead much more quickly for our industry.
Really impressed by SVG and John and what the team does in a way that's different than some others. It's a true, I think, purpose-driven strategy about moving the ag food tech world forward across the world.